Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming your iPhone is unlocked and the Photos app is ready. Open Photos, then navigate to the picture you want hidden. Next, tap Select in the upper right and tap each photo you want to move. If you prefer, open an album, long press a photo, and tap Select Multiple. Once done, tap the Share icon at the bottom left. Make sure to include every photo before proceeding to the Hide action, because this next step acts on selected items only. With your photos selected and the Share sheet open, scroll down and choose Hide. Confirm by tapping Hide Photo or Hide X Photos. This removes them from Moments, Years, and other library views. Once hidden, they appear in the hidden album inside Album's utilities. To add protection, go to Settings, tap Photos, and enable Use Face ID for hidden album so the album itself requires authentication. This prevents casual browsing and explains why finish by opening albums and confirming the photos are in the hidden album. This verifies the hide succeeded. If you need them back, open Hidden, select the photos, tap Share, then unhide. If a photo isn't appearing, check Recently Deleted first. It may have been deleted instead. Also make sure iCloud Photos Sync is enabled or disabled intentionally, since syncing can move items across devices. If the hidden album itself is missing, enable it in Settings Photos. Toggle Show Hidden Album back on to restore visibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.